Good morning. It is 7:17. Oh, gotta go through that wash. You gotta do it slow. You'll knock everything out of your RV onto the floor, out of the cabinets onto the floor. Alright, today is day 7, I think. If not, I'll put it in the on the screen what day of Sell-A-Rama this is. But it's day 7. Then we only hit, oh, that's about right. No, I don't know. I don't pretend to know what day it is. They're all running together now. There's the mornings. Oh, that's a horrible. There's the morning's sunrise. And be careful not to hit a bush. And we're off. So this morning, I am going to fix some cinnamon rolls. The other day when I went to Parker to get my phone, Rob was here and he went down to the cinnamon roll place and bought cinnamon rolls, and he said they were $10. $10 a piece. I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna see if I can't get a picture of that sign, $10 for a cinnamon roll. I don't even remember what I paid for this, but quartzsite prices, I don't know. But anyway, that's what we're having for breakfast this morning, some cinnamon rolls. I greased the pan, got the stove on, so I'm going to put them in there, cook them, and then use that glaze stuff. This brings back memories of when I was a kid and my mom would fix these for me. All right, let's put them in the oven. I always want to say, you'll do great. Anybody know where that comes from? There is the cinnamon rolls. I'm going to let them cool just a little bit before I put the icing on top. Otherwise, it kind of just runs off. So, let it cool for a little bit. I know these aren't $10 cinnamon rolls, but I bet they're good. Yeah, they're good. I don't think you can have a bad cinnamon roll, can you? So today for lunch we are having pizza. And I just mixed me up some of the dehydrated sauce that I have. Actually, this is going to resemble a Italian quesadilla. Just due to traveling, taking it to the booth, because it's going to be a little hard to take a pizza or 2 pizzas to the booth. So I'm going to make it like a quesadilla. So I'm going to put some sauce, some cheese, some pepperoni, flip it over, and let it cook for a little bit to melt the cheese. Alright, I got it all flipped over, put all the ingredients inside. And now I'm just going to let it melt. Ooh, it's warm. Melt everything and crisp up the tortilla. I'm also going to cook a tortilla dog with the leftover. Had only one hamburger, weenie for the hot dog, and I have some leftover nacho cheese. So I'm going to put that into a tortilla, and it's going to be a tortilla dog. Okay, that's the end of that day, and right before I decided to drive, I thought, I'm gonna check and see if we got a package. They sent us an email, and we got an email, and it's Deborah's package, so cross your fingers, it's the books. Of course, probably when you see this, the book sells over and everything, but right now, we are in need of those books. So, cross your fingers. Yeah, I thought maybe by chance they sent an email saying the package is there, and it is. So I am headed to Moon Mountain before they close. Oh gosh, that sun is so bad. Let's see if we can't get that package. Good morning. Today is day 7. Oh, look, we got, no.
Day
8. And look, we got a new, oops. This holder can't hold this heavy phone.
Oh no.
We have a little bendito Mexican dog with us. Mwah, mwah. Yeah. All right. And Bandit just sits on Sammy. What did I say about this phone holder? It's my new phone. They don't make them lighter, they make them heavier. I'm gonna have to get a new phone holder. Anyway, today is day 8. Oh, I'm glad I didn't run over my lights.
Oh no.
I didn't get them out from under my truck this morning.
How did you not run over the one on the left?
Because it was up underneath. I know. But I have to remember that when I come back. Yay, I didn't run over my lights. Anyway, I've had people say, why don't y'all driving in together? Wouldn't it be more cost effective to drive in together?
Yes.
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 And last year we did. But if you watch Deborah's and mine, I guess day 1 or 2, she had battery issues keeping her refrigerator on. So she was driving in to babysit the refrigerator. But yesterday she got new batteries. Yay!
Thank you, Rob.
Thank you, Rob. New to her batteries.
Yeah.
So now she's got 2 lithium batteries. And so the refrigerator and batteries were fine during the night. So we are heading in one truck. So anyway, let's get this day rolling. Okay, this morning we're having sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. Got the sausage cooking. Whoop. Whoopie-doopie. 2 eggs are not enough, and 3 are too many.
Well, we'll have to buy those half eggs next time.
Half eggs. 1.5 or 2.5 eggs. Because I just can't seem to. There. That's too much. It's going to be a taco. Did you put this on?
I did. The verde sauce? Yum.
Ooh. Breakfast of champions. I think I got more meat than you did. It's going to be a taco. It's not a burrito today. Breakfast taco. Oops.
I'm not. You're out of. Try again. Okay.
Mmm.
Fun.
Hey, who is that?
But there's some shenanigans going on here.
We turned our back to him.
Hello.
Hey, Bando, guess who's here? Your buddy Dottie's here.
Dottie's here. What you doing?
I'm lowering the ratchet straps. I learned how to do it. I'm so proud of myself, but I still get confused. But I'm working on it. See, this goes that way. There.
There you go.
Woohoo!